Now we will discuss the most basic and well-accepted framework of Agile called Scrum. As you see the definition of Scrum in the slide, let's break down that definition into parts to have clear understanding of how Scrum works. So Scrum suggests to form a small team of 3 to 9 team members. We call that team as Scrum team. A Scrum team normally has a Scrum Master, a product owner, and around 5 to 6 team members. Scrum suggests to create iterations, also called as sprint. A sprint is a time frame of around 2 to 3 weeks. Teams are expected to plan the work for each sprint, and the planned work should have some logical, testable, and demoable outcome. This framework suggests daily stand-up meeting that should last for around 15 minutes, which is called daily Scrum. So for those who have not experienced Scrum, I would like to repeat for them to be able to visualize how Scrum works in reality. So try to visualize for 8 people sitting next to each other, working together for a common goal for upcoming 2 to 3 weeks. So on day 1 of the sprint, team decides and plan the work. For next 2-3 weeks, they meet every day for 15 minutes to track the progress, which happens on daily basis. And then on the last day of the sprint, they demo the outcome to product owner and business owner. Scrum Master is there to ensure that team is following Scrum suggestions and practices and help the team remove any issues or blockers, also called as impediments. And Scrum Master ensures that team is able to achieve their goals. Let's move ahead now and talk about 3 pillars of Scrum: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Transparency. Scrum promotes transparency and presents the fact as is. So from team member or customer or CEO, Scrum expects people to have courage to be transparent around all good and bad news with all stakeholders. Everyone should strive and collectively collaborate for common organization objective. Next pillar is inspection. Scrum expects inspection by everyone in the team. Inspection can be around product, people, process, practice, and continuous improvement. Example can be inspection of a training portal by customer at the time of demo. So any feedback from the customer should be adapted well by the team and leverage this as an opportunity to collaborate with the customer. Another example can be inspection around processes. Team should discuss the areas of improvement on regular basis, come up with improvement ideas around processes to generate better results. The third pillar is adaptation. So whatever the team has inspected or the customer has expected or the feedback being provided by customer or any of the team member should be adapted by the team and should be worked as a continuous improvement. Team should regularly brainstorm around ways to improve. Whatever is being inspected by the team, stakeholders, customers as an improvement should be adapted and planned to be implemented by the team.